Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be going over how to repair damaged threads on your trailer axle so you can remount your wheel and hub and you do not have to replace the axle. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is show you this picture of how the threads were damaged on the bottom of this axle and show you what we were dealing with. Okay, so what happened was, to give you a little background, we were going down the highway, our bearings went out, and this tire came off this axle, and it started oblonging around, not spinning true. And that ended up damaging the axle, put some dings in it like you saw, and it damaged the thread, so you're no longer able to put that nut on there. But you do not have to replace the whole axle. You just got to tap those threads again, and we're going to show you the tools that you're going to need. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to buy is this thread gauge. This is American, but you might want to get American and a metric. But this is probably under $10 on Amazon. It's just a thread gauge. And this is going to help you figure out the angles and everything about your threads so you can order the right tap. You're going to need to have this before you buy your tap. Okay, so what you want to do is put this gauge on there and keep trying different sizes of blades until you line up the threads that go with the correct gauge, and then you're going to know what size tap that you're going to need to order. Okay, so we held this against our threads, and this is a number 14. Okay, so now you want to measure outside to outside on this axle so you know the depth. And everything we're doing here is going to help you figure out what size tap that you're going to order to fix these threads. Okay, so ours measures 1 inch. Okay, so this is the tap that we got off Amazon. It says right on here 1 inch by 14. So that's what we want to order off Amazon after we did our measurements with our tape measure and our gauge. It tells us to order a 1 by 14 tap. Okay, and this is like $11, and you can order the tool with it to help spin it, or you can just put a pipe wrench or some channel locks on it and spin it yourself. All right, so you just want to get this started on here, this tap, and take your channel locks, or if you bought a tool to spin this with, that's fine too, and just start spinning it on there. So we already tapped this one, so it's going easy. We're just going through the motions to show you again how to tap it. And this is going to make sure that your threads get all straightened out and cleaned out. Okay, so now we're just going to take it back off. So maybe your threads weren't damaged. Maybe you just cross-threaded it and messed it up with the nut you were putting on. Then you just go ahead and re-tap it anyway. But this is how you tap an axle. You don't have to go out and buy a whole new axle and all that. You can just spend $15 and re-tap it yourself, and then your threads will be all normal again, and you'll be able to get your nut on there to hold on your hub. All right, so that's how you tap it. I got another video on how to properly grease it, and if you don't install your wheel correctly, how it's not going to grease correctly. So check out that video. And now you got the tap video. And now I'm going to have another video coming out on how to replace this hub and put your bearings on and get yourself down the road. So be sure to check out all 3 of those videos. So there you go. That's how you do it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, we're going to have a lot more videos coming out on trailers, axles, hubs, grease, mowers, weed eaters, and everything John Deere. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.